Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I love. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me pay for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So it's still summertime, but I know back to school is coming very soon. All the makeup I have is going to be really affordable. Most of my makeup is from this site called AOA.com where they sell $1 makeup. I've been using it since my senior year of high school and I'm about to be a senior in college. So yeah, I'm finally able to do like a makeup tutorial because there's like multiple steps in my routine. I used to just be like a lashes, eyebrows, and that's it type of person. So yeah, I got somewhere to be, so let's just get started. Okay, so the very first thing that I do is wash my face. If you're new here and you don't know, I love using African black soap. Authentic African black soap though, like not the cheap fake stuff. So yeah, I wash my face with this and then I moisturize with the Pond's 24-hour moisturizer. After that, I put on sunscreen. This is the sunscreen that I use. It's the Copper Tone brand and this bottle. I already did that off camera, so wash my face and I put sunscreen on. That's what I use as my like primer. I don't really wear primer. Don't come for me for not wearing primer. Now I'm just gonna put my hair back with this really cute headband that I got from Shein. So the first thing that I always start with are my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this very dingy eyebrow pencil in black. I just get this from like my beauty supply store. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are looking like cousins, I'm gonna use this AOA concealer. This is in Soft Tan, and I'm just gonna shape my eyebrows. I don't know if this is the right brush that you're supposed to be using to like shape up your eyebrows, but this is the brush I use. We're using this concealer from AOA in the shade Honey. This is like my perfect skin tone. That's all I use. Now we're gonna blend this in. And this is the brush that I use. I'm not sure where I got these brushes. Some of them are from AOA and other ones were gifted to me like by my mom for like a Christmas gift, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and I'm gonna wet it just a little bit so it's damp, and I'm gonna actually like press it into my face. Make sure you blend it down into your neck. Now we're gonna take this end and the concealer that we use to shape our brows, we're gonna press that into. Okay, so we're gonna add just a little bit of the lighter concealer underneath our eyes, and also we're gonna do the nose and here, just so our face isn't just one color. Now, beauty blender and blend that in. Alright, now it's powder time. I use two different powders. I use this one from AOA that's like a very light color. It's in banana. And then I use this other shade that's really more for my shade, that's in the color warm. I'm gonna use a towel because I don't want it to get on this shirt like at all. I know it looks crazy, bear with me. Warm color. Now, beauty blender. Pat all of that in. I'm gonna take this big brush and I'm using this Sun Glow bronzer. So I just had the weirdest like encounter with this camera. Anyway, I put on the bronzer. So what my skin looks like now. I'm gonna put on blush. I use this blush palette that I got from my beauty supply store. So it has a highlight and 3 different shades. I'm gonna use the a mix between these two. I don't like to put on a lot of blush. Literally, that's it. I don't want to look like a clown, so I don't like to put a lot of blush on. Now I'm gonna take this highlight that I got years ago. I'm gonna take this really pretty mermaid brush that I'm pretty sure I got from AOA, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this highlight on. It's very subtle. For my lips, I'm just gonna put on chapstick and then some lip gloss. This lip gloss that I got from Urban Outfitters. It has like these pretty flowers in it. Isn't that so cute? So the very last step we're gonna do is bottom lashes. Sometimes I don't like to do it, but I put on a very small amount. And the very last step is obviously setting spray, but I just ran out of setting spray. I just bought the kimchi one that's going viral on TikTok. But yeah, once I get that, that will be my final step. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because why wouldn't you? The site for AOA will be linked in the description below. Like I said, $1 makeup. Really good if you're a beginner and you don't want to spend too much. Even drugstore makeup sometimes is a little bit too expensive for people who are starting out, so trust me, I understand. This is my makeup tutorial. It's perfect for back to school, but I have to go because I'm running late. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
It's connected to you.